In this video, I'm going to show you how to create neon lines in 2 minutes or less. Timestamps will be in the description. The first thing that you're going to need to do is create a new layer. And now we are going to go to our brush tool, and we're going to set our hardness to 0 and select the size that we want. Now we're going to go to our pen tool by pressing P on your keyboard or finding it on the left, and we're going to create our path. And we are going to right click and press stroke path. We're going to make sure the simulate pressure is checked and our tool is brush. We're just going to press OK. Now that we have that, we can right click and do delete path. The next thing that we're going to need to do is right click on our layer and go to blending options. We're going to go to outer glow, and we're just going to make a nice bright green. And we're going to set the blend mode to normal, opacity to 100%, our spread to about a 2, and a size. Now obviously the size and everything is going to depend on your picture and what you want it to look like. So just play around with that until you are satisfied with it. You're just going to press OK, and there you have a neon lines. You can drag the layer in front or behind your subject. You can even put a layer mask on there and mask it off. Alright, that is going to be it for this video. If this was helpful, please like and consider subscribing, as it will greatly help me. Also, be sure to drop an idea or suggestion in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.